So today the menu is chicken biryani. So these are the ingredients required. First is onion, chopped onions, finely chopped, chilies, some 3 to 4. You need a curd, okay, it depends on, and then you need some ghee, biryani masala if you have, then that will make your biryani easy. You need some bay leaves, clove, cardamom, then this is cinnamon, some salt, and this is dhania powder. You need some chopped pudina, then this is lemon to balance the taste, and this is finely chopped coriander. Then you have this chopped garlic and ginger. So if you have a grinder, maybe you can finely chop it. And this is half kg of chicken, finely washed, and then I have dried it. And you need some chopped tomatoes as well. And this is the rice that I have soaked. Okay, you can soak and keep it. You can use any rice. I have used bullet rice for this. And you need some oil, so you can use any type of oil to fry that. So yeah, that's it. So next. So let's see our final result. Once the gas is out, you have to take it out like this. Wow, and it smells delicious. And it's finely cooked. Wow, and it looks so pretty. The color, the coating, the taste. Let me taste some. Mmm, it's so yummy. It's perfect. Too good. So along with the biryani, so we would like to eat some raita. So for raita, I have chopped some onions, some cucumbers, carrot. It's optional, and then yeah, this chili chopped finely. It's up to you how much you want to put. So here's the raita. So you just stir it. Just put it. So here is the raita. So I'm just mixing it, and you can add some salt as you like. It's according to the sweet. And you can put some coriander. And yeah, so it's totally ready for your biryani with raita. So this is the biryani final. It's yummy.